Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a mind map in Notion. If you've tried creating a mind map directly inside Notion, you've probably realized it doesn't have a built-in mind mapping feature. But here's the good news. You can still create fully interactive mind maps and embed them inside Notion using external tools. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using MindMap.so, which integrates smoothly with Notion and lets you visually organize your ideas. To begin, go to MindMap.so in your browser. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Connect with Notion. Click on it. After clicking Connect, a pop-up will appear from Notion. You'll be asked to give access to specific pages. Select the page or pages where you want your mind map to be used. Then click Allow Access. Clarification. This step allows MindMap.so to interact with your Notion workspace so you can later embed or sync your content. Now you'll be taken into the MindMap.so editor. Start building your mind map using different elements: main topic, center node, subtopics, branches, additional nodes for details. Clarification. Each node represents an idea, and you can expand your map by adding more branches to organize your thoughts visually. Take your time to structure it clearly. Once your mind map is ready, look for the Share option. Click on it, then select Export to Link. Now click Copy Link. Clarification. This link is what allows you to embed your mind map into Notion. Now go back to Notion. Open the page where you want to add your mind map. Paste the link you copied. Notion will show you options. Select Embed. Your mind map will now appear inside your Notion page. Once embedded, you can resize the mind map block, move it around your page, combine it with notes, text, or other content. Clarification. The mind map remains interactive, meaning you can still view and navigate it inside Notion. Using MindMap.so together with Notion allows you to visually organize ideas while keeping everything in one place. To summarize, creating a mind map in Notion involves connecting MindMap.so to your Notion account, building your mind map, exporting it as a link, and embedding it into your Notion page. This gives you an interactive mind mapping experience inside Notion. And that's how to create a mind map in Notion using MindMap.so. Even though Notion doesn't have native mind mapping, this method gives you a powerful workaround that's just as effective. The key is understanding how to combine tools. Once you do that, Notion becomes much more flexible than it seems at first. As you build more mind maps, focus on clarity and structure. A good mind map should simplify your thinking, not complicate it. Use it for brainstorming, planning, studying, whatever helps you organize your ideas better. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.